Guys, it's Eric. Today I want to show you the easiest, quickest, and possibly cheapest way to scrape hundreds or thousands, possibly even millions of emails just from within a simple Google search. So first you're going to want to download Email Scout. You can get that at the Chrome web store, or you can go to www.emailscout.io. This extension basically looks for emails within the source code of any website you're on, and it finds those emails and it saves them to the extension so that you can then export them and use those emails for whatever your marketing needs are. So here we have the Chrome extension enabled, and then we're going to start with a Google search. And so here we're going to search for makeup artists in London and at gmail.com, okay? And so you'll see right here the number of emails has gone up to 14, because what Email Scout is doing is it's actually finding these emails from the actual Google search results without ever going to any of these websites. So it's incredibly powerful. It's incredibly quick to build up email addresses. So as we just click through, it will save. We have autosave enabled here. So that means as we click through, it will automatically save newly found emails to the extension. So we just keep scrolling. One tip I want to show you here that I've talked about in other videos is you see this and num equals 10. This is telling Google that you want to see 10 search results per page, but we can actually increase this number to 100, so we can make the email extraction process a lot quicker by seeing 100 results at a time. So we will click on the 10 right here, make that 100, just add a 0 to it, and now it's going to find 100 emails or 100 results per page. All right, so one thing you can do to make this process even better is, so here we search for London. We could also search for UK, but that's kind of like a large area, a large country. You could also search for neighborhoods from within London. Now, because I'm located in the United States, I'm going to type in Los Angeles. And that will show us makeup artists within Los Angeles. All right, so I'm going to actually turn off autosave and start fresh here. We'll turn off and turn on the extension. Okay, so it's finding all makeup artists in Los Angeles that have an @gmail.com account listed on their page. All right, and we can click through and see we're already up to 106 results right here. All right, that's a lot. But now what we can do is we could actually go back up to the search terms, and instead of Los Angeles, we can put in different neighborhoods of the city. So we could put in like Van Nuys and scrape all those emails. Okay, and now we can go and do Beverly Hills. Okay, now we're up to 174 emails really quickly here. We'll scroll down. Okay, 190 emails now. We could do Santa Monica. You know, you can get real granular with your search here. And it doesn't even have to be at gmail.com. We can then change this to at yahoo.com or at outlook.com. Okay, and then keep doing these searches, and we'll keep just finding more and more emails. We could even go outside of Los Angeles. Let's do like Ojai. Have some friends in Ojai. Okay, we're up to 286. How about we go to Ventura? Wow, okay. 315, and this is with Yahoo email addresses. So we could even then change this back to Gmail, or we could go back to, Hotmail, whatever you want. We now are up to 363 emails right here. Look at this. This is crazy. And so what we're going to do is we're going to export these to CSV, and then we'll be able to just open these in any spreadsheet editor. You could open them in Excel, you can open them in Google Sheets, whatever you use, and then you can import them into your email client, whatever that is. One thing I want to point out that's really cool about using this method for scraping emails is that vast majority of these emails you're going to find, these are live emails. These are not abandoned email addresses. These are addresses that people have live on the internet. So when you go to verify them, which you probably should to eliminate bounce rates, you want to make sure that these emails are live emails. A very high percentage of them are going to come back as verified compared to, say, if you were to just buy a giant list of leads and 3/4 of them are dead and you can't actually contact those people because you're going to get marked as spam. So hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment below, like and subscribe. Let us know if you have any questions. We're always here to help, and hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks.